If you want to show tab groups in the favorites bar in Microsoft Edge, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is a handy setting if you like keeping your browser organized and want easier access to your group tabs right from the top of your screen. It's simple, fast, and once you turn it on, managing your tabs becomes much more convenient. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This is where all of Edge's main settings are located. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, look at the left-hand menu and click Appearance. The Appearance section controls how Edge looks and behaves, including toolbar and tab-related options. After that, scroll until you find the Tabs section. This is where you'll see the option for tab groups and other tab display settings. Now look for the setting that says Show Tab Groups in Favorites bar. You'll see a toggle next to it. Go ahead and turn that toggle on. Once it's enabled, your tab groups will be shown in the Favorites bar, making it easier to see and access them while browsing. That's really all there is to it. You've now enabled tab groups in the Favorites bar in Microsoft Edge, and your browsing workflow should feel a lot more organized. If you don't see the change right away, just make sure the toggle is switched on and refresh your browser if needed. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.